Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Matic. I just wanted to do a quick update. Last update we did, there actually was a bit of bullish momentum. I think it was right here. Or at least Matic was trying to break above 57 cents, which was and still is our main resistance. It's not the only resistance, unfortunately. But it got rejected, and altogether right now, as you can see, Matic is still very, very, very bearish. All right, so we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the different scenarios from here. I mean, there still is a chance that we, or at least Matic, can actually recover a little bit here. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about how likely that is, and I'll just give you my opinion and my analysis on what's most likely from here. I mean, quite a strong support level is coming up as well, around 50 cents. Which is a level we haven't touched in a very, very long time. The last time we touched that level actually was right here, the 5th of July of 2022, after obviously the whole aftermath of Terra Luna and stuff. So we'll talk about all of that, all right? I'll tell you everything you need to know. Before we dive into Polygon/Matic though, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading setups, my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader, while also receiving access to an exclusive chat room full of traders and my trading guides, then consider joining the Cilinix Premium group, which if you want to join that, links will be down in the description to join, or you can just head on over to cilinix.com if you want to become a more profitable trader. But for now, let's talk about Matic. So overall, the market situation is bearish, all right? After rejecting off of 57 cents, like I said, which is our strongest resistance, it's not the only one, because after that we also drop down below this level right here. Between 55 and 55.5 cents, that's our resistance right now. It's not the strongest, but it's the first resistance, so to speak. And it's also strong. It has a trend line retest, 28 EMA, it's a normal level. 55 is also a bit of a psychological level. So at this point of time, especially with Bitcoin being weak like it is, the most likely scenario really is that our main support level 53 cents is going to fail, and that after getting a bearish breakout below that level, it's most likely that we'll drop down towards 51 and 50 cents, which is at this point of time a level I am heavily considering buying from. Like I said, it's historically, if we go back to that 22nd of July right here, you can see that it's a very strong level. The first time we actually got there after a lot of bearish momentum, we also found support there, or Matic did. And then we found resistance there, found support there again. So historically, it's just respected a lot, even in the worst of the worst market circumstances. So that's a level I'm potentially buying from. It will be a short-term buy, but I do think it can work. So I'll put my price alert there right now. But this looks most likely, all right? There's one other scenario which you need to take into account, I'd say, and that's mainly because the dollar strength index is nearing some resistance levels, and that is that Bitcoin actually recovers here and gets some more bullish momentum up towards 27,000. If that happens, which is a realistic possibility, if that happens, on the long term, I still think we would drop down to 50 cents. But on the short term, then there actually is a chance that we'll break above 55.5 and then 57 cents with Matic. And then Matic can actually recover a bit up towards like 60 and 61 cents. Overall, like I said, that will not break the downtrend, but there is a chance for some short-term recovery, but only if Bitcoin goes first. All right, so that's the main thing to watch. I think most of you know that you have to watch Bitcoin nowadays with the Bitcoin dominance and the correlation that there is in the market. But yeah, that's at this point of time, I would say this has a chance of like 15%. I would say this is way more likely at this point of time. But the chances of this get more and more likely the more time passes, all right? So I will definitely keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take on Matic. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.